Hello friends! BMW is actively preparing for the release of the new generation X5 crossover. Although the official premiere is still some time away, the company is gradually revealing interesting details about the upcoming model. Today, one of the key features of the new X5 has come to light: the inclusion of a version with range extender technology. This technology is not new for BMW. It was previously used in the BMW i3 electric car, where a compact gasoline engine served as a generator to recharge the battery. The principle is simple. The gasoline engine doesn't drive the wheels directly, but instead generates electricity, which is sent to the battery, and from there powers the electric motors. This makes it a kind of hybrid, but with electric drive and an energy-donating engine. According to preliminary information, BMW is considering using a 2-liter inline turbocharged engine, a familiar unit from other models, as the generator. The new X5 itself will be powered by 2 electric motors. The gasoline engine will activate as needed, for example, when the battery is running low or when extra power is required. The main advantage of this solution is the extended driving range. BMW claims that with a full fuel tank, the hybrid X5 will be able to travel up to 1,000 kilometers, making it an excellent option for long-distance trips. At the same time, there's no dependence on charging infrastructure. Just fill up with gasoline and continue driving. Interest in such hybrids is growing. This trend is especially noticeable in the Chinese market, which accounts for a third of all BMW sales. In fact, sales of such models in China grew by 50% in the first 5 months of 2025 alone. The US market is also showing strong interest, particularly among SUV and pickup truck owners. As a result, BMW is adapting its technologies to meet the evolving needs of customers. Although the new X5 will be built on the CLAR platform, it will feature next-generation batteries with 6th-generation cylindrical cells similar to those used in the Neue Klasse platform. These batteries offer 20% higher energy density and provide up to 30% more range compared to current models. The hybrid system is being developed by ZF, a company well known for its high-quality automatic transmissions, which are also used in BMW vehicles. This points to a high level of execution and technological reliability in the new system. The range extender technology may also be applied to other models, such as the future BMW X7, which is expected to premiere in 2027. This would allow BMW to offer customers flexibility in choosing between fully electric vehicles and versions with extended range. However, there are also risks. In Europe, where charging infrastructure is well developed and distances between cities are shorter, demand for such hybrids may be limited. Additionally, the range extender system adds complexity to the vehicle's design, which can affect the price and maintenance costs. The gasoline engine in this setup operates in a specific mode, which increases wear and the likelihood of breakdowns. The introduction of the hybrid BMW X5 with range extender technology is an important step forward in the evolution of electric vehicles. It combines electric efficiency with the versatility of a gasoline engine. For BMW, this is another way to expand its product lineup and offer more powertrain options, something the brand has always excelled at. The new generation BMW X5 is expected to debut at the end of 2026. We'll continue to follow the story.